Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. So here I'm back doing the Euro USD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started with the analysis. But at first we'll be taking a look at the news we are having, and we are not having any high impact news into the market today. All of them are low impact news, so more likely I'm anticipating that the price can be in the sideways today because it's already sideways according to the higher time frame. So let's move to the charts now. So this is the monthly chart. What you see is, and we had been reacting from this FBG and moving into the downward side. Though we are having this candle slow breaching into the monthly levels, but the previous candle didn't close below it, and we had a bit of bullishness into this particular leg. So uh, for now, uh, the bias is not much clear because the upside was bearish, but this particular candle made it a bullish confluence. So that makes it a confusion into the monthly level. So let's move to the weeklies now. As we move into the weeklies, what we see is that the price reacted from this level, moved into the upside direction. We reacted to this volume imbalance area and moved into the downward side, which I had already explained in my previous video. So right now we are within this wick of the weekly, which I'm anticipating as a demand area, and from where the price can move into the upside direction. So I am kind of bullish into the today's market because we are tapping this weekly level. So let's move to the dailies now. As we move into the dailies, what we see is that this particular candle gave a close above the previous candle, which also gives a bullish confluence into the price. And we are having a huge volume balance area right here. So more likely the price can move up to fill this. Now let's move to the 4 hours. As we move into the 4 hours, we are having two extremes of the levels. That is this particular unmitigated swing, like very small swing into the price, and the ultimate unmitigated wick. So we are having two reaction zones from where the price can possibly return into the upside direction to fill this volume balance gap. Now let's move to the 1 hours. As we move into the 1 hours, the price is reluctant to give a close above this low, and we are mitigating this unmitigated order block. That still doesn't confirm that we are ready to move into the upside direction. So we need to have a confirmation for that. Now let's move to the 15 minutes. As we move into the 15 minutes confirm the bias of bullishness with this particular level, that is that this particular level acting as a BPR for the price. But let me tell you that mostly on Mondays, this area act as a resistance or support for the price. So don't target to the ultimately gap filling strategy. So let's move to the 5 minutes to define the bias now. So into the 5 minutes, we see that the price is still reluctant to move into the upside direction, though we are having a BPR into the 15-minute uh, candles, but we are still not having a confirmation of the price moving into the upside direction. So if we break this high and continue the trend, like it will be forming some structure like, I find that marking tool, like this, then I'll be happy to trade at this point towards these highs. Okay, toward this high. But for now, I'm still waiting for the price to confirm a bias, and then only I'll be entering the market. Otherwise, this low will be a vulnerable low, that is this low, and the price might take it and then move into the upside direction into the London session. So let me turn on the session first. So this is the Asia, and this is the CBDR. The price took the CBDR low, and if in the London session, more likely we take this Asia low, that will be the most strongest confluence. Otherwise, I'll be waiting for the price to breach this high and then I'll be taking a trade if some kind of a PD array forms here. So this is pretty much it. Do write me into the comments that what are your bias and how are you seeing the market today. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep trading.